For thousands of years, humans accepted a grim physical reality. The body breaks down. We assume time guarantees a one-way trip toward decay. A growing body of research shows our cells remain alive and intact. They simply lose the ability to interpret their own specialized instructions. If you extract the DNA from a 90-year-old and examine it under a microscope, the master code remains completely intact. It is the exact same pristine sequence found in a newborn infant. The difference lies in a secondary system called the epigenome. This is a complex layer of chemical tags that sits directly on top of your DNA, dictating which specific genes are turned on or off. Turning back the clock means restoring the epigenome's clarity, allowing the cell to correctly read its original data. Think of DNA as a pristine CD and the epigenome as the laser reader. Over time, environmental stress physically damages this mechanism. The reader gets scratched. Your youthful genes remain intact, but the scratched reader skips, causing the cell to malfunction. This microscopic miscommunication cascades outward. It causes skin to wrinkle, hair to gray, and organs to falter. Biological aging is a fatal, progressive loss of cellular memory. In 2006, Dr. Shinya Yamanaka demonstrated that cellular identity is not permanent. His work earned him the Nobel Prize for identifying 4 proteins that can strip away the chemical accumulation of a cell's lifetime. This process scrubs away age markers, returning an old cell to a pluripotent, blank slate state, capable of becoming any tissue. Today, by halting protein exposure halfway, the cell sheds age-related damage without losing its identity. This allows an old heart or skin cell to function with the efficiency of its younger self, while remaining integrated into the organ it serves. In a landmark study at Harvard Medical School, researchers applied this exact partial reprogramming to mice suffering from damaged optic nerves and age-related blindness. The therapy successfully regenerated the nerves and restored the animal's vision. In human trials within a petri dish, scientists took skin cells from a 53-year-old subject and treated them with the factors. Within days, those cells behaved chemically and biologically like the skin of a 23-year-old. But tapping into this kind of primordial biological control carries lethal consequences. If the reprogramming factors are left active for too long inside a living creature, the cells forget who they are completely. A liver cell that forgets its identity stops filtering blood, leading to immediate organ failure. The darker outcome is the formation of teratomas. These occur when those blank slate stem cells begin multiplying wildly out of control inside the body. Because they have no assigned identity, they can grow into massive, chaotic tumors filled with random, fully formed biological tissue like patches of hair, bone, and teeth. To achieve rejuvenation, scientists must walk a razor-thin line between miraculous healing and uncontrollable biological chaos. Because of these extreme risks, we will not see a pharmaceutical product that reboots the entire body overnight. The system is simply too complex to risk a full biological reset. The realistic rollout of this technology will arrive in the form of highly targeted, localized treatments. Doctors will likely inject reprogramming factors directly into a single failing kidney to restore its function, or administer them as specialized eye drops to cure glaucoma without affecting the rest of the body. This cautious, organ-by-organ rejuvenation is the necessary proving ground for the future of human longevity. Medical science will spend decades mastering this targeted approach, learning how to safely administer the precise dosage in the Goldilocks zone. But once that safety is established, the ultimate ambition comes into focus: systemic, full-body biological age reversal. A moment of wonder. We have moved beyond merely observing decline to identifying the specific chemical markers that drive it, and we are now testing methods to drive those markers in reverse. Subscribe to Ancient World Unveiled for more forgotten truths.